Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question, can you pair the left and right earbuds to two devices simultaneously? And you cannot pair your left earbud with one device and your right earbud with the second device. You need to pair both of your earbuds to one device. So my answer is no. Also, this earbuds doesn't support dual connection, so you cannot also pair two devices to your earbuds simultaneously. You can pair to both of them, but you can use it only with one phone. And you can listen to music with one earphone. If you need it, you can open the charging case, put your earbuds to the case, or remove only one from the case and then close the case. And now use the second one. To prove it for you, we can go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and right here, if you have iOS, you will see that it's connected, but I use only one earbud, and if you have Android, you will see them at the device list, also meaning that your earbud connected to your phone. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!